Hello, how can I fix sound problems on Android? 1. Check the volume. Open your device settings. Then go to Sounds and Vibration. Tap on Volume and make sure all the volume levels are set to maximum. 2. Check Bluetooth. Swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel on your phone and turn off Bluetooth in case the sound is being redirected to a connected device. 3. Reset App Preferences. Open Settings. Then go to Apps. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Select Reset App Preferences, then confirm by tapping Reset. Don't forget to like video and subscribe.